everyone, I'm Vicky and today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. So yeah, this video was requested by one of you. Shout out to my friend Annalisa. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I do my basic makeup. You actually just need 5 products. So this one is a great one if you want to do it before going to work, if you don't have much time in the morning. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Vicky and welcome to my channel.
First, I usually start with my brows. I just like to brush them, make sure they're in the right place. And then I try to contour them as much as possible. Interesting story, when I was 14 years old, I got bored and I cut my brows because I was absolutely wild, and I look back and I'm like, I wish there was an older me, a future me just yelling, don't do this! Second thing you're gonna need, an eyeliner. I like to use this one. I bought in Boots and it was, I think, like £3, I kid you not, and it's the best one. This is what I wear in every single video of mine. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, I accept offers. This one requires a little bit of more concentration, to be honest. Okay, I messed up. I'm gonna fix it in a sec. Okay, I think it looks good now. Next step, honestly this is my main makeup item. I can't live without, and that's my concealer. It's so good. It's a really good one. This one actually belongs to my mom because the one I bought wasn't really good, and then since I started using her product, it made a whole difference to my makeup. It's just like, this concealer really works. I started to do my makeup when I was like 14 years old, and I remember I used to go to school wearing makeup because it was a way to express myself without breaking the rules. I remember that girls used to say that I used to not to be able to do my makeup. So this one day when we were on our way to school, these girls just helped me out and they taught me how to do my makeup properly. And I guess this played a big role in how I did my makeup for a few years. I think makeup nowadays, in comparison to what it was several years ago, is just totally different. Fashion is always evolving. And I'm actually so glad this year there's less of a contour trend and more of like a natural beauty trend, because I don't know, people spend so much time doing their makeups and they could just do something more productive with their times than doing their makeups and applying like 17 layers of products. You know, I like to do it like this. I know some people must be yelling right now like, what are you doing? You're just gonna make your nose look bigger. But no, this is just a sort of like natural highlight that I like. How do you guys do your makeup? Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm pretty sure every single woman in this planet do their makeups in a different way, I guess. They use different products. Okay, next one. Powder. I bought this when I was at the airport and I was just like, I need one of those because my face looks so shiny right in front of the camera. So I thought, you know what, I need to buy one. And it was worth it. Honestly, I think it's such a good product. You're gonna see it, how it looks like in a second. The tone is slightly darker than my skin, but it does look really nice and it's the right tone, because as I'm in front of the light, my skin gets even brighter. So it's important to me to wear this one because it doesn't make me look like a ghost. I think people should wear whatever they wanna wear. Obviously, if you work, there are a few rules. There must be a few rules about what you wear and everything, which I think it's fair enough. But This is what I do. This is a very basic one, and I'm pretty sure that it doesn't matter where you work, this kind of makeup would be 100% acceptable. So what you guys have been doing during this quarantine? I'm getting slightly bored at home, but I try to keep myself motivated and I do yoga. Okay, my makeup is almost ready. And now my final product. This is what I just wore and I super recommend. That's a good lipstick. And it's a good one, yeah. Okay, so now I finished my makeup and this is how it looked for the day, nice and fresh. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, because if you did, I'm gonna actually continue to do a makeup series. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!